Kajingyo jingkershan jong kajingtur chakmat Khasi Otter Society Pandawa penrung ye Ktien Khasi hapo ka kernet bapra jongkariti sensyar ka long nadu kipor ki bamenchwa bat kane hadu menta bat dangshan layo I panadu na Shillong ki don ki bami bane senran lang yaka society kata hadu nong ba Delhi hakalumpong ye mer jingbot ka ba pelong YMCA bat ka jingeki a jantar mantar Shillong Mail ka jingyo e kalat bandlum kubor nadu kalumpong ye mer jingmut kabla ne arsingi kata nadu ka arp khundai tarik hadu laipo tarik unai lor arajar pulai ka badai ka singi kot kabla danru ka jinglej ban pen sawasur jong jingdawa ban pen urlong ya ka jingang no jong ki pajba kari Khasi jaintia kabadang beteng menta la saupo tili tam kisnem hapo ka jinglam khamat jong ka Khasi Otter Society hajantar mantar pat ha ka jingye kendu pat kilat pathai kubor ki ban nongba Delhi ka kenhon klayo ru banbu ki jingkeli la kanno snem ka jingdawa ka Khasi Otter Society kala don menta bat bale ke ni ka kinti ka jet ye ka jantar mantar ban pelong ye ka jingye ki hato ka don em kalat ban yo khet yo so ya ka bala jubab do president ka Khasi Otter Society Professor DRL Nonglaj.
You see, Khasi Otter Society has been demanding for inclusion of Khasi language since the last 4 decades, and we have been able to give correct, accurate information to the state government also whenever there was any inquiry about the status of Khasi language and literature, and it has been discussed in the parliament also in 1992 when some languages were brought through the amendment of 8th schedule. There were members who have raised this issue, why not including Khasi also at that time. Again, in the another amendment of 8th schedule in 2003, 4 more new languages have also been included in the 8th schedule via the amendment of the constitution. At that time also it was raised that Khasi should also be included. But then I think there might be something,
you can say wrong
approach, maybe by
government officials.
the government officials or some departments who are dealing with this subject. So till now it has been kept pending. When we have submitted in 2019 a memorandum to the Home Minister Rajnath Singh Ji, we met him at his residence. He promised us to look into the matter very seriously, and he had even said, I have already talked on this issue with the Prime Minister. Now it has gone 5 years, almost 5 years, but a demand has been still kept pending. Until now, we don't have a scheduled language in our state. We have to continue with English as the official language. So what we want is that this government should bring an official bill in the next session of the parliament. We cannot wait for any more delay after 4 decades of our demand.
Laburu ka jingkeli hatu pishem kani ka jingwan bandawa nongba Delhi ban penrung ye Ktien Khasi ya kernet bapra kan poisha ka thong bandon ka acheden ye ki pajba kari Khasi jaintia namar ka BJP hagpor election ka juyai kular ya kata ka acheden bad ya kani lajubab do dekhot ka Khasi Otter Society Professor Ken Pham Singh Nokenri.
I don't think it is a protest against Atiar as such. We are organizing this protest at Jantar Mantar and also the national seminar at YMCA because we want to create national awareness about our demand. That's all. We don't want to feel discriminated.
One second.
Why we have come to Jantar Mantar again, I repeat, to create a national awareness. This is only the first step, rigorous step towards a mass movement. So our next step will be to organize a mass movement for the sake of the Khasi language.
Thank you so much.